Hello all. So I am starting the first topic of AS Physics, physical quantities and units. So I am Mohammad Kamran Halil from the YouTube channel The Physics Gurus. I will teach AS Physics 9702. So let me start the first learning objective. A physical quantity. What do you think? What is a physical quantity? This is a quantity which contains two things. Number one, it should contain some value, magnitude, and number two, it contains some proper unit. For example, if I will say 20 seconds, so 20 is its magnitude, while second is its unit. So we will say that it is a physical quantity because the physical quantity is a quantity which can be measured. So this is the basic thing related with the physical quantity. If I will say the friendship, if I will say love, I will say hate. These are not the physical quantity because there is no criteria we can measure them. But the length, time, temperature, pressure, work done, energy, all these quantities we can measure with some instrument. So that is called as the physical quantity. So it should have two things. Number one, the magnitude, the value, and number two is the unit. The second learning objective related with this chapter is the estimation. So estimation, this is an open-ended question. The examiner can ask anything related with the estimation. So I will give you few examples and some other examples you can read from the book. I will tell you the names of those books as well. Estimation, the mass of the car, it is around 800 to 1000 kg. The mass of the ball 100 gram up to 200 gram as well. The density of the water is okay, that is fine. If the water is pure, then its density is the 1000 kilogram over meter cube. The density of the mercury, these are the things which are having a specific density. So you can learn these values as well. So the density of the mercury is 13,600 kilogram meter cube. Then the mass of an adult, it is about 60 up to 80 kg, 60 up to 100 kg, but the most suitable answer which has been written in the mark scheme is around 70 to 80 kg. Then the 100 meter race, how much you can travel 100 meter in the duration of the time. The Bolt, he has the record of I think 9 seconds. So but for a normal human being, it can be 12 seconds up to 20 seconds. That is the roughly estimate to cover the 100 meter race. Then the standard atmospheric pressure, it is 1.0 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. That is at the sea level. So whenever he will talk about the standard atmospheric pressure, it means at the sea level. And the value is 1.0 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. The next other example, the mass of an orange. Now this is the season that which has just passed. The orange, you have eaten a lot of oranges, so the mass of an orange is 100 up to 150 gram. Do not write down in the kilogram. The height of a room in a house, it is about 2 to 3 meters. Then the diameter of a pencil is 0.5 up to 1 centimeter. The volume of a small bean is approximately 0.6 centimeter cube. Then the volume of the human head, I have a big head, so my volume will be exceed from this 4.0 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. And the speed of a jumbo jet is around 220 meter per second, or in kilometer it is around 800 to 1000 kilometer per hour. But write down the units which are the basic units. And the human body temperature is 310 Kelvin or 37 degrees centigrade. For the other things which you have to remember is the estimation related with the electromagnetic spectrum. You have to remember the values for its frequency, and you have to remember the values for the wavelength of the electromagnetic spectrum. You can find that on the internet as well. You can find that values in your books as well, in the course book as well. Similarly, you have to remember the values for the component of the light. What is the wavelength of the red color, what is the wavelength of the blue color, orange color, yellow color, green color, and what is their respective frequency, because this has been asked so many times in the past papers. The books I have already told you, the second edition of the O-Levels Physics. The course book you have to purchase or download it, and then the other book which I use is the International AS and A-Level Physics by Mike Frandl or Prisme from the second edition. So we will proceed towards the next level. Take care.